Former Caribbean Maritime University CMU consultant Gail Campbell-Dunwell has been released from police custody. Ms. Campbell-Dunwell was questioned by the Financial Investigations Division earlier today in connection with the multi-million-dollar fraud at the Education Ministry and the CMU. Anthony Lugg has the details.
The former Diaspora Network marketer at the Caribbean Maritime University, Gail Campbell-Dunwell, had been wanted for questioning by the police for over a year in connection with the probe into fraud at the Education Ministry and CMU. However, investigators face challenges because she's been based overseas. They finally got an opportunity when she arrived at the Sangster International Airport Tuesday. Police swooped down on the facility where she was arrested. Our checks revealed that she was kept in custody overnight at the Bridgeport Police Station in St. Catherine and was picked up by investigators from the Financial Investigation Division FID this morning. One of her attorneys, Donahue Martin, told our news center that a habeas corpus application was filed in the St. Andrew Parish Court for her release.
I can confirm that she was in custody. I can also confirm that a habeas corpus application started in relation to her detention today in the corporate area parish court, and after being interrogated by officers from the FID, she was released after a question and answer interview was conducted.
Mrs. Campbell-Dunwell has been at the center of controversy following the revelation in June last year that some of the almost $15 million paid to her by the CMU went to a third party who was not connected to the institution. The bombshell was dropped at the Public Administration and Appropriations Committee PAAC sitting in June last year.
We got instructions for a few invoices to be paid on an account for Doreen Miller, sir. That was on the instruction on the invoice.
From who gave you those instructions?
Mrs. Dunwell.
Chairman, if my memory serves me well, in media reports, this Doreen Miller was someone employed to the minister, the then minister.
Oh, in what capacity? It was
household helper to my...
there.
Chairman.
There.
But after being questioned by investigators, Mrs. Campbell-Dunwell was released. The lawyers have now indicated that they will return to court tomorrow to indicate that they will no longer pursue the application.
In fact, in relation to the habeas corpus application, it did start in the parish court today, and it was to return to the list tomorrow. But of course, we don't have to continue the application because she was subsequently released after the question and answer interview. We deny any wrongdoing. And of course, we take issue with the fact that we were in custody, that we were brought into custody in relation to this matter. But certainly, we will have more to say at a later date.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.